Hey guys, welcome to Digitalized, and in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT in Telegram. So to do that, first go to your Telegram and now search for ChatGPT. And here you have this bot, click here. And then over here you can click on this last link. And there you go. Now all you have to do is click on start and write. Choose your language. Now you can start typing and ask questions to ChatGPT or just have a chat. So this is the free version of the bot where you can send a message every 5 seconds and then we have to wait. So that is how you can use ChatGPT in Telegram. Thank you for watching this video and I will see you on the next one. Also don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.